The cat woke up and slipped away, fell into a circus bright as day. He grabbed a bike, though it felt unreal, and wobbled forward on a shining wheel.
The mice around him raced in lines, their tiny bells rang circus signs.
Around the ring he pedaled fast, the brave cat starring in the cast. He laughed, he swayed, but held the track, till one big bump threw him straight back.
The lights went dim, the dream grew flat. He woke again